Marital discords, violence, and murders. Marriage is a contract between two committed adults, and that is the base on which a family is formed and hence institutionalized. When does it become a problematic affair or the partners for life turn abusers or murderers? The most common factors are as follows. Financial issues. The most damaging factor in Indian marriages is the dowry system. How shameful it is for the girl that her parents give a guy money to take care of her for a lifetime, as if she is a burden to be borne. Instead of dowry, parents should give her good education and help her to be financially independent. Never marry for sustenance. Instead, be financially independent. The concept of marriage is not at all about caregiving, nor is it a sort of rehabilitation. It is and should be a partnership. Number two, jealousy. Extramarital relationships and jealousy were there from time immemorial. Remember the Shakespearean tragedy Othello. It is important to know the signs of a toxic relationship. It is not wise to stay in an abusive or toxic relationship. Get professional help if needed. Some other factors that cause marital discords are as follows. Role confusion. Traditionally, there were well defined roles in a marriage. Man was deemed as the provider and woman the nurturer. Women were completely dependent on men for sustenance. There was not much scope for discontentment there. As girls got to be educated and be financially independent, the role definitions started to blur. There needn't be any stringent role definitions in the current scenario. The dynamics of each marriage is different as each person is different. Take decisions wisely or take professional help. Lack of mutual respect. As it is a contract, the first and foremost condition in a marriage is mutual respect. Mutual respect is giving and respecting partners' personal spaces and preferences. No contract can stand without that. If mutual respect is lost, it is very difficult to maintain the contract. Parental influence. Parental interference is a major source of problems in marriages in India. Continuously interfering in affairs of married son or daughter is ridiculous. Parents see the married life of their son or daughter as an extension of their school or college days, where they used to give instructions lavishly to their children. They, out of love or rather possessiveness, forget that they are intruding into another family and any such intrusions cause trouble. It is better to leave the couple to sort out issues between themselves or let them take the help of a third party or a professional. Lack of commitment. Staying committed means to be ready to sort out problems as and when they occur and negotiate to find mutually agreeable ways to move forward. If you can't stay committed to spouse and a marriage, better don't get married. In Indian conditions, often it is parents who take decisions and staying out of marriage is difficult for a young person. But it is important not to take the plunge if you are not ready for commitment. Diminishing marital satisfaction. The graph of marital satisfaction is a U curve. It decreases gradually, hit a low around middle ages, and then gradually increases. The initial attraction diminishes after a few years, and then responsibilities and other commitments make it hit a low. Then, towards the old age, companionship builds gradually. It is vital to keep this important factor in mind that it takes patience and understanding to set the sails right during middle years. Individuals usually tolerate abusive marriages because of these major factors. Social stigma of broken marriages. Often, it is the stigma attached to divorces that prompt people to stay in abusive marriages. But never forget that life is far more important. You are the best judge of your life. Children. Of course, children are the most affected in broken marriages. But it is even more harmful for them to be the spectators of real ugly altercations between their parents. In such cases, it is better to part ways. But let the children stay away from the ugly exchanges. Never talk bad about their father or mother. If possible, cooperate in the affairs of children. However romantic the love affair is, however dramatic the proposal is, and however auspicious the venue and time of the wedding is, marriages are still happening on earth, not in heaven, and hence are prone to imperfections. It is not wise to leave a relationship on issues that can be sorted out, but it is damaging to stay in an abusive relationship. Though marriage is a contract, there are a lot of unaccounted factors that go on to strengthen the bond: love, care, companionship. Always keep in mind that marriage is the union of two individuals coming from different family backgrounds. It takes time to know each other and form a bond. Be patient and work together to form a strong bond. Thank you.